Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Dory from Finding Nemo. Let's start with the head first. Draw a square slightly lean towards right side. Draw eye sockets. Draw eyes. Draw mouth. Draw a U-shaped curve for the lower body. Draw another curved line from the top of the head. Detail the body. Draw tail. Draw fin on the top. Draw fin on the right side. Draw fin on the left side. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.